Once upon a time, high up in Himalayas, my mother Parvati lived with her husband Shiva. One day, my mother sat down to make a sculpture of a boy. She carefully molded the clay and ended up making a cute little boy with chubby cheeks. She looked at his chubby body and was pleased with her creation. So she decided to give it life. And this clay sculpture came to life. We were both very happy. Since my mother had got dirty from making me, she decided to take bath. As my father, the great Shiva, was away, she told me to guard the door and not let stranger in. Now I had never seen Shiva as I was just born. I sat outside playing with a stick and minding my own business, when a large man, all blue and cool, came up to her. Not knowing who he was, I yelled, "Stop!" And he replied, "How dare you? I am Shiva." With that, he raised his trishul and swiped off my head. Hearing the noise, my mother rushed out the house and shrieked, "What have you done to our son? I have made him out of the earth with so much of love, and you have gone and chopped off his head off." Boy, was Shiva in trouble. He promised to my mother that he would find a suitable head for their little boy. So off he went into the forest. Wish wash boom. Shiva was back in no time with the head of an elephant, which he fixed onto me. He then patted me and told me that how proud he was of me. He then gave me blessings of prosperity and intelligence. Since then, I have been known by many names: Vignaharta, Siddhivinayak, Vikratunda, and I am the remover of all the obstacles.